Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. AI phones are replacing laptops in 2025. Here's why. Apple, Google, and Samsung are all in 2025. Smartphones are no longer just communication devices. They are becoming powerful AI-driven computing machines capable of replacing traditional laptops for millions of users. Major tech giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung are heavily investing in AI-first smartphones, signaling a major shift in how people work, create, and consume content. This transformation is driven by advancements in on-device artificial intelligence, custom AI chips, and software ecosystems designed to make phones smarter, faster, and more independent than ever before. One of the biggest reasons AI phones are challenging laptops is on-device AI processing. Unlike earlier AI systems that relied heavily on cloud servers, modern smartphones can now process complex tasks directly on the device. Apple's Neural Engine, Google's Tensor chips, and Samsung's AI-enhanced Exynos and Snapdragon processors allow phones to perform tasks such as image editing, voice transcription, real-time translation, and content summarization instantly, without needing an internet connection. For American users, this also addresses growing concerns around data privacy, since sensitive information stays on the device rather than being uploaded to remote servers. Another key factor is the rise of productivity-focused mobile software. In 2025, AI-powered apps on smartphones can write emails, generate presentations, edit videos, analyze spreadsheets, and even assist with basic coding. Tasks that once required a MacBook or Windows laptop can now be handled on a phone, paired with a keyboard and external display. Apple's seamless ecosystem allows iPhones to connect instantly with monitors and accessories, while Android devices from Google and Samsung offer desktop-like modes that turn phones into full workstation experiences. This flexibility is especially appealing to students, freelancers, and remote workers in the US who value portability and efficiency. Performance improvements have also closed the gap between phones and laptops. Modern AI phones feature powerful CPUs, GPUs, and dedicated AI cores optimized for multitasking and creative workloads. Video editing, once considered a laptop-only task, is now faster on some phones thanks to AI-based scene detection, automatic color grading, and background noise removal. Content creators can record, edit, and publish high-quality videos entirely from their phones, making laptops optional rather than essential. Battery efficiency is another major advantage. AI chips in smartphones are designed to deliver high performance while consuming less power than traditional laptop processors. This allows phones to last all day, even while running AI-heavy tasks. Fast charging and wireless charging further reduce downtime, making AI phones more practical for everyday professional use compared to laptops that still struggle with battery drain under heavy workloads. From a cost perspective, AI phones are becoming an attractive alternative. While flagship smartphones are expensive, they still cost less than buying a premium phone and a high-end laptop separately. For many users, a single AI phone that handles communication, work, creativity, and entertainment makes more financial sense. This trend is particularly noticeable among younger American consumers who prefer minimal setups and cloud-based workflows. Apple, Google, and Samsung are all in on this shift because they see AI phones as the future of personal computing. Apple is integrating deeper AI features into iOS and its ecosystem. Google is pushing AI-first experiences with Pixel devices, and Samsung is positioning its Galaxy phones as productivity powerhouses. Rather than replacing laptops entirely, AI phones are redefining their role, making laptops a secondary device for specialized tasks, while smartphones become the primary computing tool. In conclusion, AI phones in 2025 are not just replacing laptops, they are reshaping how people think about computing. With powerful on-device AI, advanced productivity tools, improved performance, better battery life, and strong ecosystem support, smartphones are emerging as the most important personal tech device of the decade. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.